This weekend, North Kansas City High School is celebrating. They finally finished some big renovations. You can attend the open house tomorrow, 10 a.m. North Kansas City High School is more than 90 years old, so the $65 million renovation focused on upgrading the building and technology. But big spaces also look brand new, like the cafeteria, the gym, the locker rooms, and the theater.
Seating-wise, it's only about 120 seats larger, but the facility here, we were never able to fly in scenery or with our Mary Poppins even fly her. So everything was set, compact, and had to be stored off to the sides in real small spaces. But we have LED lights now that we can change a lot of things. We can bring in scenery from above. This with Mary Poppins last fall was the first time we were ever able to use any backdrops. So it was pretty amazing to be able to have the kids work with things that I had to learn how to do again because I hadn't done it in 25 years.
Once again, the open house is tomorrow, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., North Kansas City High School. Voters passed a bond measure 4 years ago to help pay for the renovations.
And now